In today's market, growth alone doesn't win investor trust. Capital is tighter and credibility matters more than velocity. If your forecasts keep shifting, your dashboards don't align, and leadership can't explain the numbers, investors notice. Not as growing pains, but as execution risk. This is the gap. On the left, reactive financial reality, missed forecasts, inconsistent burn management, and KPI clutter. On the right, what investors expect, maturity, predictability, and strategic alignment. The bridge? Financial maturity, systems that transform risk into confidence. I call it the investor confidence gap. It's the disconnect between your internal financial capabilities and what capital markets now expect. Budgets are outdated by Q2, forecasts shift without explanation, board meetings feel tense even when the slides look clean, because your financial infrastructure can't support the complexity you've created. Investors read signals, not just numbers. Frequent forecast misses, you don't understand your drivers. Burn with no contingency, you lack capital discipline. Inflexible budgets, you can't pivot. KPI clutter, no one's aligned. Narratives that don't match ops, you've lost trust. These aren't reporting issues, they're execution risks. And they compress valuation, increase scrutiny, and limit your flexibility when it matters most. The companies that earn trust early build three things. 1. Dynamic forecasting. Use 13-week rolling models tied to revenue rhythms and cash cycles, not static annual plans. 2. Financial fluency. When every team understands the financial impact of their decisions, speed and alignment improve. Marketing knows CAC and LTV. Ops understands working capital. Everyone speaks the same language. 3. Data integrity. Communication, dashboards, boardrooms must match. When they don't, investors assume the worst. Your finance function is your trust engine. Growth gets you in the room. Financial maturity earns you the right to stay and to lead with confidence. To explore this framework, visit teelongrowth.com.